So today I'm sharing my routine of how I get my eyelashes looking really long, really voluminous with just mascara. So we're going to zoom right in and get straight into it today. So my first step is actually an optional step. I'm going to first tightline my top waterline with a black eye pencil. This is going to make the roots of my lashes appear just a little bit thicker and a bit darker. I do feel like tightlining adds to the overall effect at the end, but again it is optional. And you can see how it's already made a bit of a difference. Okay, so my second step is I take a clean little eyelash wand and I brush through my lashes as if I am applying mascara, and this is going to separate all of your lashes. It's going to help your mascara go on so much easier. So I just keep brushing them through until they're all separated. Okay, next we are going to curl them. So I always like to curl my lashes. I like to get as close to the root as I can, and I'm making sure I've got every eyelash that I can get. And I like to do like a pulse motion instead of just clamping them together. And then I'll just check them, and then maybe I'll go in a second time, again making sure you've got every single lash and you're as close to the root as you can possibly get. And again, just pulsing the curler just for a few seconds. Okay, next it's time for mascara. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara has always been my favourite for years. This is the mascara I go for, especially if I'm not wearing any false lashes. This just makes my lashes look so long and thick. I absolutely love it. With this, I'm going to wiggle at the root again and then brush through the lashes, and I'm just going to keep brushing through them until I'm happy with how much I've built them up. Now I prefer to keep on coating them rather than letting them dry and then putting on another coat. I like this mascara in particular because it doesn't go clumpy when I do that. And then just to finish, if you do feel like you have got any that are a little bit clumped together, I'm just taking that clean lash wand and again just teasing the lashes away from each other. If I do get a little bit of transfer, I just take either a cotton pad or a clean spoolie and I just flick that off when it's dried. You can definitely tell the difference between the two. Okay, so that is my eyelash routine. It's really easy, but I do feel like those little hacks do make a massive difference for when you're applying your mascara. So try them out and let me know if they work for you. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you did down in the comments. Please give it a big thumbs up as well, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week in my next one. Bye!